Hello and welcome to Cisco Collaboration. My name is Boris Damjanic, industry expert for collaboration solutions at Cisco. Just a few days until the launch of our first virtual WebexOne conference. I've learned from well-informed circles that there are not many, but only a few places left at your home. So be fast and act now. Let me give you 3 reasons why you should really not miss our great event. First, you will get an exclusive presentation of the latest innovations for an inclusive future. Second, you will see how the new Webex uses AI technology to deliver 10 times better teleworking experiences. And my absolute favorite, you can follow our exciting closing keynotes that will feature our prominent speakers like Amal Clooney on day 1 and RuPaul Charles on day 2. So here, some more ways to get involved. Arrange a one-to-one meeting with our Cisco technical marketing engineers. Find out more about our sponsors to learn more about Webex integrations and sponsor offers. Use the hashtag WebexOne and you can get in touch with other participants via social media and share your observations and insights. Stay involved and have fun. We have surprises in store for you all day long, so make sure you attend the whole conference. Last but not least, if you have registered to attend the Whisper Suite, to learn more about the future of Cisco's latest Webex technology and roadmap, please make sure that your confidentiality agreement is on file. So, I'm happy to host you at Cisco WebexOne 2020 EMEA on 9th and 10th of December and take together a close look into the future of collaboration. So, take care and see you soon. Bye for now.